Hello friend, how are you? Today I presentation the software is AMAZE. AMAZE is a affiliate marketer. Every people use this software for Amazon affiliate. See the software details and I presentation software details in your computer and mobile screen. See this software. This software is very useful to Amazon affiliate. 100% automation online storage that make your passive income. Also see you this video
What if you could press one
and details information. I just inform you this website details information and you just go to the link and I click the link and detail information. I see the software details. Software make these people skin trial and extra percent. If don't mind here complete question for this. I am fast working. You have ever seen before pocket to $17, $18, $19 and 100 per day. It's very useful lifeline on my terms, not someone easily. See this software and click the link below my description, video description. See this income. It 100% work, friend. It is very useful software. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video and please like, comment and share and subscribe.